What's going on, guys? Player number one here, and we've got a fresh Nike Air Max 270 React Winter unboxing for y'all. Now, I've literally just got these straight through the door. Air Max 270 React Winter in black and metallic silver, size 10. Let's check them out. Dun, dun, dun. Always come in handy, they do, mate. Look at these beauties. These are fucking bad, boy. Got the Nike tick on the bottom there. It's all got these grippy bits for the winter so you don't slip on the ice. All this material here is completely waterproof trainer. Got the metallic Nike tick. So yeah, bro, they look fucking sick. Let's get them on display for y'all. Man's gonna look hot in the snow, you know. Jeez! Let's do it on foot for you guys. Sick. They look fucking hot, cuz. Hot stuff on my feet, bro. Catch me next time. Peace.